Yo, shoot a nigga from the back here, start to run. Yo, I just get a 308, and this nigga wanna die. Papa, papa, papa. I just pop a bill, and I feel me like a bill. I just kill and search, yo, bro, pa, 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 pa. Yeah, I just get 308s, I just get 4 4s, I just get 5 5s, I just get 6 6 tat in my motherfucking neck. All these niggas talking shit about you. All these niggas talking shit about him. All these niggas talking shit about you or about you. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that bitch. Sorry about that bitch. Yeah. But I get it blinky outside. And this nigga talking shit. Yeah. 12 degrees. And this nigga start to say, oh my god, this getting harder. And yeah, it's getting bigger and hitter. I'm a hitter, I'm a nigger, and you know we're running out of bullets, but my niggas, they always come with real sticks, yeah, real sticks with Aaron at the motherfucking up top, yeah, I'm in the top, yeah, I'm with coat them motherfucking throat like a little bitch, yeah, I just put my dick onto that little bitch, die off, and never does something in her motherfucking throat, yeah, throat, and I make her go throat. And I make this bitch believe in God. Nah, I'm the only God. Bah, bah, bah. I was joking, bitch. Yeah, I was joking, bitch. I was joking. I just feel me like the Joker. Yeah, killing niggas only for fun. Yeah, I'm not racist, but nigga, I hate niggers. Yeah, I hate niggers that always talking shit. Yeah. Nigga was talking shit at his motherfucking blog. Nigga start to run from my motherfucking up. Yo. I just get a blicky outside, and this nigga wanna die, and this nigga wanna die, and this nigga wanna die. I just hit with a 5 5 6, and I tattoo in my motherfucking neck 666, yeah, 666, hard world, fuck this bitch, this is a hard world, I don't have peace in this motherfucking world, we all hate this nigga.